know, the name of the show is Humor Abuse, and I'm fascinated by this idea of the word abuse in there because it
Right.
was something essentially inflicted upon you.
Yeah, I suppose, I mean, though self-inflicted,
Right.
I would think.
Initially.
Initially. I mean, and I think the title, you know, a lot of people have had questions about using abuse in the title, especially because it's about a child and all of that. But, you know, really the title refers more to what a clown has to go through to find the funny. And it's what my father went through to really find his clown. And I know that that sounds really convoluted, but there's a certain amount of abuse that you put yourself through to be funny.